We've got two triangles and we want to find x and y and then determine if they're similar by entering the scale factor. So first, let's find x and y. And we're not going to use ratios because we don't know if they're similar or not. We're going to use the Pythagorean theorem because we have two right triangles. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Remember, these are the legs. Those are the two sides that make up the right angle, and c is the hypotenuse across from the right angle. So that's c, and then a and b order doesn't matter. So let's start with our first one. We have a squared, so 3 squared plus b, which is x squared, equals 5 squared. I'm going to subtract 3 squared from both sides. 5 squared minus 3 squared is 16. Last step is to get rid of the square by taking the square root. So x equals 4. Okay, now let's find y, and we're going to do the same thing, a, b, c. So c is the hypotenuse. So this one should be easy. 1.4 squared plus 4.8 squared equals c squared. And that we just get to put in the calculator because it's all on one side of the equal sign. So 1.4 squared plus 4.8 squared is 25. We don't want c squared, we want c. So we're going to take the square root of both sides. So c equals 5. All right, now we got to figure out if these are similar. So we do that by lining up our ratios. So 3 to 1.4. And then 4 to 4.8. I can already tell they're not because of that. I could keep going, but they're not similar, so I'm going to say none. So x is 4, y is 5. They're not similar, none.